Welcome to the show. Today we are checking out the Princess 72-foot Flybridge luxury, actually super luxury yacht. Let's take a look inside and see what it has to offer.
You become a billionaire, you can get this one.
If you thought you'd seen luxury, well, maybe you haven't, because this is inside the Princess 72-foot yacht, and I have to say this is kind of like a house right here. So we are in the main lounge area right now. We just wrap around. So there's a beautiful table here, and the back of me is all small seating area. So you could quite comfortably put in about 15-20 people here, entertaining to your heart's galore. And behind you, there is the captain's helm, which has got some exquisitely gorgeous chairs. Look how comfortable they look.
This is my area, I want to check out. So you step up into the cockpit. Nice looking seats, princess fuss. I don't mind being a princess on this boat. This is my kind of princess ethos. Oh, steering wheel. You got the thrusters over here. You got 3 screens. Look at that security camera, so you can see exactly what is going on at the back. It's going to be excellent for parking. The engine bay to make sure everything's working as it is. Overview of the actual boat and the maps. Know where you are. All these toggles and all these buttons. You got side power, so you got bow and stern thrusters, so you can pretty much go sideways if you feel like. I kind of like that design. Nice view, height-wise. You're looking down a bit, but I guess this boat isn't really in a plane, is it? So you're probably all right in this ship. So I'm going to call it a ship. On the other side, you also got a nice lounge for your co-pilot.
Nice.
Oi! You're driving wrong.
When you are feeling quite tired and you just need a place to rest and relax, you will go down the stairs, and quite handy, there is actually a nice banister here, so that if there's a bit of rocking, then you can hold on tight, especially if you've got your toddler in your arm. As you step downstairs, you're met with a bunch of cabins. So this is for the children. Come and have a look inside.
And I've got to say, the windows are massive. They're like, look at the height I've got over here. Nice big windows. Look, there isn't a mirror. I guess you can easily plot one in, but you also got that storage, a wardrobe. Let's see. Oi, there you go. And there's the mirror. Hello. You also get your own AC controls.
And there's actually another place for the kids to sit as well. So you need to have lots of babies on this beautiful yacht. And then we've got a shared bathroom over here with a shower and a toilet.
Got big mirror for you to check yourself out. Water. You got a screen to partition the water flow. So if you are in a toilet, you're protected. And another thing I love about these, like, you got tiled flooring. Yeah, I like this. Look at that. Tiled flooring.
And here's the master cabin. So you've got a nice double bed over here. You've got beautiful natural lighting coming through. You've got a massive TV as well. So if you do want to entertain at night time, got some television. And you've also got your own ensuite and shower too. That looks pretty cool. Let's take a look inside. And inside here, there is also some tiled flooring. So you can keep it nice and easily clean as well. Look at that. And you've got a shower screen as well, so you don't get yourself wet if you're taking a toilet break and a shower at the same time. Very useful.
Always happens. AC controls.
Yes, love
automatic.
that. Love that.
And what's interesting about here is you don't just get one flight of stairs going down, so there's actually a second. So look at that.
Like where the crew go. Let's see where the second flight of stairs goes to. Well, this is like a spiral, and this must be where the crew is. Oh, gee, there's like a whole like. This is the master suite. Okay, so that wasn't the master suite. This is the master suite. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've ever seen a master suite this grand before in my life. Wow. Look at the TV. TV's huge. You've got a massive bed, probably a queen size bed. So you've got a study area as well. So when you want to study, you can just pull out your chair. Beautiful shower and toilet. Come take a look at the shower and the toilet.
You got chest of drawers. Don't know if this comes with it, but definitely Louis Vuitton chest of drawers. What's up? Oh wow, this is so long. This is you can shower. So the guest bedroom is tiny compared to this master. Look, his and hers. Or hers and hers.
Mine.
You get your own shower, don't worry.
Love this. This is this is just a hotel. This is not a boat. This just feels like a house. House or not even a house. A hotel.
Yeah, I love the table. You get some work done.
Yeah.
And the shelves.
It's pretty cool, isn't it? Imagine getting work done on the boat.
And it's kind of clever that you get your own staircase to your suite. So it's completely separated from everyone.
Kids.
And just check out this extra bit of sofa lounge. You get to sit down, watch your partner study, or on the bed. All you need really is one of these, a pole coming down, right?
Let's go check out the kitchen and upstairs in the Flybridge. This is the kitchen. You've got meal appliances, you've got the induction, and you've got the oven, you've got the double sink as well. Your fridge and freezer. There you go. You've got plenty of space there. Food in your freezer there as well. And you've got a little island bench top as well, so when you're preparing your food, you can give it over here. And then outside here, once you have brought your food out, you can sit on the lounge deck and just enjoy your lovely lunch. Should we go upstairs?
Cabins, seating, all that stuff, but it also has an upstairs floor. So you've got downstairs, an engine room, and an upstairs as well as the... Whoa! Look how much space you get. Bed. You get to lie and sleep in. It's so nice. This is a roof. You're protected from the sun. I guess this one's a retractable, I'm hoping. Must be. Or if it isn't, you can probably modernize it. You got seating all over. So this is kind of like a bow rider, just all on the roof. Just all set up. You got the flag right there. This is the village. Look how much seating you can get. And my favorite area, you got controls again. Lots of screens, lots of security. You know what's going on. You can actually see where you're going. You can actually see where you're going. So if there is a doggy on the board, you can actually, you know what's going on. Hello, Sophia. There you go. Got integrated map. This is nice. I'm happy she's loving this boat.
Sophia, this one might be out of your price range.
Yeah, you become a billionaire, you can get this one.
And when you want to party, you can come up here, which is the bath. It's got a grill, so when you've got those fish that you've fished, or maybe when your crew have fished for the fish, you grill them up here, you can get some nice drinks, cool down, and just have a lounge on the gorgeous bed. Like, this is just so appetizing. I could literally just stay here. I don't actually need to go anywhere. I could literally just stay here, be moored, and not do anything. Thank you very much. Amazing.
All right, and finally, we're checking out the swim platform. Now, I'm sure this is hydraulics. It goes up and down for your tender. It's just so spacious there. We've got cabanas. Yo, what's up? And extra storage over here. Q&A. Questions and answers. There you go, ready to go. Got your adventures, your toys.
Superlux just does not cut it. This is the epitome of luxury. It is gorgeous, it is beautiful, the interior is just wonderful. And I don't know about you guys, but with that hefty price tag, yeah, you know what I'm saying? It probably is worth it. You get so many cabins in there, you've got a beautiful swim deck, you've got a beautiful a fly bridge, a kitchen, everything. It's magnificent. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.
You become a billionaire, you can get this one. I'm not actually sure how much it was. I heard someone say 8 million. I didn't ask myself because I didn't want to embarrass myself. But, you know.
Something.
Subscribe. We can get it together.
I think it's worth it.